In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a new LinkedIn account. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, so if you're creating a LinkedIn profile for the first time, you can follow along with ease. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform where you can connect with colleagues, explore job opportunities, and build an online presence for your career. To get started, open your web browser and go to LinkedIn's homepage. Once the page loads, you'll see the main sign-in and registration area. If you already have an account, this is where you would log in. But since we're creating a new one, we're going to focus on the sign-up process. On the homepage, look for the button that says Join Now and click it. This will take you to the account creation page, where LinkedIn asks for a few basic details to get your account set up. Make sure you're on the official LinkedIn website before entering any personal information, especially if you reach the page from a search result. Next, enter your email address or phone number in the field provided. Use an email address or phone number that you have access to, because LinkedIn may use it to verify your account or help you recover access later if needed. It's usually best to choose an email address that you check regularly, particularly if you plan to use LinkedIn for job searching or professional communication. After that, type in your password. Choose a strong password that is secure but still easy for you to remember. A good password should be unique and not something you're already using on other websites. This helps protect your account and keeps your information safer over time. Once you've filled in your email or phone number and your password, click the Agree and Join button. This submits your information and begins the account creation process. By selecting this option, you're also agreeing to LinkedIn's terms and policies, so it's a good idea to be aware that these apply to your new account. And that's the basic sign-up process. From here, LinkedIn may guide you through additional setup screens, but the key first step is simply creating the account using the form we just completed. If you're following along, take your time entering your information carefully to avoid mistakes. That's it for this walkthrough on how to sign up for a new LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.